So without further ado, let's dive into the demo. For configuring signature into your Outlook email account, whether if you are using one email account or multiple email accounts on your Outlook, you would go to File and then go to Options. Once you click on the options, a new pop-up Outlook options windows will show up. Then you need to select the second tab which says Mail. On the Mail tab, you would go to Signature option and you would click on this. So this area will show up. There is also a shortcut way if we want to configure that. It's canceling that by clicking on New Email and then going to the signature, and from here clicking on Signature again. So as you can see, it loads up the same screen that we went from File, Option, then Mail, and then Signature tab. While you are on this screen, here you could configure your signature. So the first option would be click on New, name your signature. Info Sig. You can name it whatever you want, it doesn't matter. So here I would say thanks phone 121212 email info@techproclicks.com, or even I can insert images, business card, or whatever, links to our website. Anything you would like, you could put on your signature. www.techproclicks.com. So you could pretty much put anything you want. It's just for making things automatic. So as you can see, there is my signature name, there is my signature. I save it, and then as soon as I save, it says for all new messages, this is the signature. I would say I need a short one where I don't have to put all the pictures, images, and everything else. Just want to say thanks and regards. So I will again name it info short, or even the first one I created was info sig. I can rename it to info long. Let's make it consistent. Info long, and you can see that's a long one, and then info short, I move to the short one. Here I will say regards and save it. And then from here, what I'm going to select, I would say, is anytime I replies or forward an emails, by default select the short signature, and anytime I want to send a new email, select the info long signature. So that's my setting. Now this is the setting if you have one account. The same setting can be done if you have multiple accounts configured into your Outlook. So in my case, I do have multiple accounts configured on this machine, so I could select next one, and as you can see, it has none. So I will do the same thing. I would say jobs short, new, jobs long. So long or whatever, it's just as yes, save it, and short, this is short, save it. So for this one, I said anytime I have a long email, again the name has to be consistent so you can find it easily. For jobs new emails, select the long one, and for jobs short one, replies and forward, select the short one. So you can see all of them are set up. I will say OK, and then click cancel. So from here on, every time I click on a new one, by default, as you can see, this is info. So by default, the long one for info comes. If I switch to jobs, as you can see, it will switch as well. So that's the automation part of it. That's again for both of the email accounts, the long signatures. If I want to have the short ones, and for that option we select anytime I do a reply or forward. So if I do reply, as you can see, it just says regards, and the same is for the forward. Voila, now you know how to configure your signature into Outlook. Please do watch our previous videos and stay tuned for our new videos. Thank you.